Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Coco Eve Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Foam. This is in the shade Ultra Dark. Coco Eve sent this product to me about a week and a half ago, and I was so excited to try it out. So today I'm just going to be reviewing it and seeing how I like it and basically giving you my thoughts and opinions on this product. They also sent me the glove, and then I also got the little Coco Eve little brush that it comes with. But yeah, if you guys are interested in how I fake tan my body and all my tips and tricks on how to maintain and get a nice blended tan, then just keep watching. Okay, so when it comes to fake tanners, I have tried so many fake tanners. I've tried all the name brand fake tanners that everyone talks about, and I've loved some of them, but I've noticed that a lot of them do not stay on my skin and they don't adhere to my chest for some reason. So I'll apply it all over my body. It'll look super dark, and then once I go to rinse it off, it's like my hands are dark, my feet are dark, my knees and my elbows, and that's pretty much it. Like my neck, my chest, nothing else is like tanned. But when I found this product, I have been so obsessed with it, you guys. You have no idea. So it says that this formula is infused with raw virgin coconuts, botanicals, and amino acids to help hydrate and firm the skin. So I noticed that when I apply this foam, that it doesn't dry my skin out. I've tried a lot of tanning products that I'll like apply it. It's super sticky. And then when I go to wash it off, I feel like my skin is like alligator skin and it's super dry, and I have to like douse my entire body in lotion because it just feels like so like tight and just not hydrated. So this one definitely hydrates your skin and firms your skin, because even when I do remove it and I'll like not even apply lotion, I can still feel like how hydrated my skin is. It also says that it's enriched with Bali-inspired ingredients such as mandarin oil and natural antioxidants, including fig, banana, papaya, and cocoa to help improve signs of aging. It also blurs pigmentation and perfects skin. So this I was actually blown away by, because this tanner actually makes your body look like Facetune. It's very strange. I've never tried a tanner that does this type of thing. It almost kind of gives you like this natural like blur to your skin. So if you have any like discoloration or texture, it kind of just blurs right over your skin. So it almost looks like your skin is just kind of face-tuned in a way, which, I mean, we all love that kind of look. So I really love how it blurs your skin and it like kind of evens everything out. So it also has tropical Balinese, mango, and guava. So if you guys know, every single fake tanner pretty much on the market is always trying to smell like coconuts, and it never really ends up smelling like coconuts. It always smells like a biscuit, like just a nasty kind of biscuit syrup kind of smell. And I think this is the only product I've found that actually smells so freaking good. It smells like a Bath and Body Works like guava, like, you know, body spray, body lotion. Does not smell like coconut or anything. It smells like summer, but it doesn't smell like that generic coconut kind of smell. And it doesn't make you smell like that stale coconut like biscuit smell. So I love the smell. I love that it blurs the skin and it perfects your skin. It also has a green-gray base for a natural-looking golden glow with no orangey tones. So I've tried a bunch of different tanners in the past that make you look like super green, and then some of them make you look like bright orange. This one has like the perfect medium of like a green base mixed with a little bit of like a natural like suntanned base. So it just looks like you've just been laying out in the sun, and this is like your natural skin tone. It does not look fake at all, and it does not look patchy. It also is fast drying and develops in just 2 hours. So I'm gonna tell you guys, you can leave this on for 2 hours and you can wash it off, which is a great thing if you like want to do something very quick and fast. But I actually sleep with this on, and it just makes you even darker than you would be if you left it on for 2 hours. So if you want like an extra dark kind of look, I would definitely leave it on overnight. But if you just want something quick, like a nice little glow, you don't want anything too extreme, then you can leave it on for the full 2 hours. And I feel like it still gives you like that nice little tan. So I like to apply this with this little Coco Eve mint. And I love this mitt because it has like a thumb. So a lot of the other mitts are just like a round little thing and you put your hand in, and it just doesn't feel comfortable when you're like blending it out. So I like this because you have the little thumb and it just feels a little bit more secure on your hand and it's not like slipping everywhere. And then if you want to switch it, you could just like switch it. And I just love this mitt. I feel like it's really great. And the fabric on the mitt is just super like velvety and soft, so it really helps glide the fake tan all over your body. And then you also can get the Coco and Eve little face thing, and I love to use this for my face application. I use it down my neck and my chest. I use it to buff like around my wrist area and my hands, my feet, my ankles, anywhere where like tan tends to cling a little bit more. That's where I focus the brush. So I love to apply tanner with this little brush on my neck. I just feel like it gives you more of a flawless kind of finish. Okay, so Milo is in the building, so if you see a little kitty running around here, that's because Milo's here. The first thing you want to do before you even think about tanning your body is you definitely want to exfoliate your skin and shave your body, because if you try to go in with fake tan and you have dry skin, your tan's going to look patchy. It's not going to blend very well. Plus, if you do have like hair on your body, it's going to kind of seep into all the little hair follicles on your body and you're going to get like weird brown dots. I've done it before. I don't recommend it. It does not look good. So just make sure that you exfoliate your body and shave your body prior to fake tanning. Personally, my favorite exfoliator is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. This one's in the scent Exotic Bloom, but whatever scent you like. This one just smells like a Victoria's Secret body spray. It just smells really good. But I love to use this, especially if I'm going to fake tan, because it really does a great job at like removing all of the dead skin. Milo is jumping in an Ulta bag right now, So I personally love the Tree Hut scrubs because I just feel like the crystals that it has in it does a really great job at removing all the dead skin off of my body. But I love to use it with this Saint Tropez little exfoliating mitt. This is the only thing that I find works really good at exfoliating my body. I've tried the like little gloves. I've tried a loofah. I've tried all of the things to try and exfoliate my body, but this is the only thing that works for me because of the fabric that it is. It kind of like is a rough texture, so it really does a great job at removing all the fake tan that you might have had or all the dead skin. So I like to use this, and I just put it on a mitt, and then I will just buff it into my skin. So the other exfoliator that I love to use is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. I've talked about this one before. In my hygiene video. I really love this, especially if you suffer with strawberry skin, where your skin kind of gets a little patchy and you get like razor burn and like all that kind of stuff, because this one does a really great job at like loosening your dead skin and like decongesting your pores. So I found that a lot of the time when I go to fake tan, for some reason my skin, I don't know, I can't fake tan in the same day as I exfoliate and shave, because I'll get like little brown dots like all over my body. I'll get them on my arms and I'll get them on my legs, and basically it's just when the tan like seeps into your skin. It's like when your pores are open, the tan will like seep in, and then it kind of just gives you like this weird like dot kind of look, and I don't like that look. I think it looks so gross and ugly. So I always make sure that I scrub my body and I shave maybe a day or two prior to fake tanning. So if you do have the same kind of issues with it seeping into your skin, try to not tan in the same day that you do all this stuff, okay? If that makes sense. Okay, so once we've exfoliated and we shaved, I make sure that the night that I do all this, prep work, I don't apply any like body lotion or anything. I just, will rinse everything off, pat my skin dry, and then just put my clothes on and I'm good to go. I won't do any body lotion, body spray, deodorant, nothing. I'll make sure that my skin is completely dry and free of any products. And then the following day, I always like to do it at nighttime, and I make sure that I don't shower. So make sure you don't shower in between doing this process, because you're going to open your pores and then it's going to defeat the purpose and your skin is going to have those brown dots all over the place. So the next day after you shave and exfoliate, you can either do it in the morning when you wake up or, at nighttime. and I'll go ahead and I'll apply the fake tan. So before you go on with the tan, you do want to make sure that your skin is clean, dry, free of any products. So don't put any moisturizer on, no perfume, no deodorant, nothing. You want to make sure that your skin is completely free of anything. But I always recommend to go in with just a little bit of lotion on your hands, your ankles, your feet, your knees, anywhere where tan tends to cling, like in those drier areas. So I get dry on my elbows, on my knees, my feet. Definitely put it on your hands because tanner really does cling a lot on your hands. I mean, if you guys have seen my videos in the past, like some of my hands, just my tanner hands just look terrible. So I definitely make sure that I put a hefty amount on my hands so that we don't have those ugly self-tanner hands. So anywhere where you tend to get a little bit dry is where I would apply some lotion. And then you're good to go in with the tanner. So I apply like 2 to 3 pumps on the mitt, and then I'll like squish it in my mitt like this. And then you'll just go in and just buff it all over your skin. And then if you feel like you do have like any streaks anywhere, you can always pat it like this. But I find that this tanner does not leave any streaks. And even if you feel like it's not a perfect kind of application, once you rinse everything off, everything just kind of like blends together and it just looks really natural. Another thing about this product that I'm just so obsessed with is the fact that if you wake up the next day and you feel like you're not as dark, you can always go in with another layer, let that sit for 2 hours, and then rinse that off later. And then the following day, you're even darker than you were like previous. It's insane. So why I love this product is because it doesn't contain any harsh ingredients in it. So it's got no chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates, no like things that are really going to irritate your skin and like break you out, which is good. It dries super fast, which I love because I hate the feeling of like sticky tan on my body. So I'm going to get into the demo part of this video. I did show you guys basically how I apply the fake tan so you guys can see it in real time. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and cut to that now. so after you wash off your tanner in the morning, after you've left it on for, if you want to do the 2 hours, you can do the 2 hours, or if you want to leave it on overnight, that's what I personally like to do. I like to sleep in my tan, and then the next day I will rinse it off. So when I get in the shower and I rinse off my tan, I just take like a little bit of like Dove sensitive soap, and I'll just glide the soap over my body just with my hands, because you don't want to use like a washcloth or a loofah or anything that's going to help kind of rub off your tan. So I just use a little bit of soap, put it on my hands, and then I'll just rub off the fake tanner, and then I'll rinse my body and pat my skin dry. And then I always go in with my Nivea Essentially Enriched body lotion right after my tan, because I feel like this body lotion really hydrates your skin and just makes you look glowy. So after you have washed your tan off, you want your skin to have that like nice like glow to your skin. So this is the body lotion that I always go in with after I wash my fake tan off. So this is the body lotion that I wear pretty much every day to help maintain my tan and make my tan look the best that it could possibly look. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found some new tips to try out when you guys are doing your sunless tanners. So I highly recommend to check out the Coco Eve fake tanner. I think it's an amazing fake tanner, and I highly recommend it to anybody. So I do have my discount code down in the description bar below. If you guys shop through that link, I will receive a small commission off of that link. So if you guys want to support my channel, that would be awesome. But if you guys do not want to use that link, then you guys don't have to. But yeah, I really recommend checking this out. So if you want to save 10% off, you can use code Cassie. It'll also be down in the description box below. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Coco Eve for sending me this product to try out. But other than that, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!